You try to see me in this way. What is that? When you taste the taste of the liquid, water or anything, rasoham apsukamtyam, that taste is so you want to see God, but you are tasting so many liquid things. Why don't you think that here is God? This taste is God. God is teaching. You learn how to see God. This blunt eyes, how you can see God now. You try to see God in this way, as God says. Rasoham apsukamtyam, prabhasmi sasusujaya. Now, if actually a philosophical minded man is there, if he simply makes research where from this nice taste came in the water, he can see God. Because ultimately he has to come to God. If he makes research where from the sunshine came, you can say the sunshine is coming from the sun glow, but for further research work you cannot go in there. But if you are actually student, philosophical minded, if you make darshan, philosophy means darshan, darshan means seeing. See more, see more, see more. And that's where you will ultimately come. Ishara parama, then he will come to this conclusion. Bhaunam janvanam ante jnanaman mang prapaddati. If you are actually serious student, research worker, then after executing research work for many, many births, when you are actually wise, jnanavan, then you will surrender to Krishna. The Vasudeva Sarvamiti Sa Mahatma Sudullava. This is the way. But these rascals, infatuated by false ego and under the spell of material nature, being kicked by material nature, thinking that he is kartaham iti mannate. Kartitam, we have made so much advance in research, so much scientific advancement, this and that, so many things. No, it is not possible. Without God's hand, you cannot do anything. Sarvasya chahang ridisannivishta matta smriti jnanam apohanancha. A scientist working very hard to find out some chemical or some physical thing, but there are many others working, but unless Krishna from within gives his proper intelligence, he cannot invent the particular thing. That is not possible. Krishna gives his intelligence. Matta smriti jnanam apohanancha. Two scientists working, one has become successful and one is not successful. Why? Both are working very hard. The one is favored by Krishna and the other is not favored. Otherwise, how you can explain? If material knowledge is sufficient, both of them working hard to find out the truth of a scientific discovery, but one is able to find out, another is not able, then how you can explain these discrepancies? The only explanation is that one is favored by Krishna and the other is not favored. Actually, it so happened, you know, this Marconi's invention of wireless telegram. So, Marconi and many other scientists were working on this line. One of them was Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose. So, this was explained by Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose in a meeting. I was a boy at that time in Calcutta. That they were discussing, Marconi and Dr. Bose, Sir Jagadish Chandra Bose, about these waves. And so, actually, Dr. Bose discovered this wellness. The Marconi heard it from Bose and immediately he published in the paper. And the British government gave him preference. He became the inventor of this wireless telegram. But actually it was Dr. Bose. So that means he was favored. Krishna gave him intelligence. Now he takes these opportunities, takes this theory explained by Dr. Bose and he publishes it. You get the name. Nimitta matra bhava sabbasaj. This is the explanation. One is working very hard, day and night, and the another is enjoying the result. Why? That is prakita kriyamanani gunoik sarmani karmani sarvasa ahankara. You may think that you are doing, but you are under the control of the material nature. And the material nature is controlled by the Supreme Personality of God. Therefore, ultimately, you are controlled by the Supreme Personality of God. But being spelled by the material nature, he is thinking that evam paravidhyanena kartitang prakite pavan karmasu kriyamaneshu gunairatmani mannate. Atmani, gunai. So, we have contacted, we have infected some prakriti, some guna from quality of the material nature, we are acting in that way. So, at the present moment, the material life means we are all working under the spell of this material nature. Gunai. So, I have got this body, Indian body, I am thinking, I am Indian, my duty is like this, like that. One is born in America, he is thinking like that. One is born in dog family, he is thinking like that. One is born in cat family. In this way, different varieties of body and different varieties of thinking. Different varieties of body. It is due to the body. So, karmasu kriyamaneshu. We do actually, according to the body or according to the temperament. Karmasu kriyamaneshu gunai. And that is spelled by this material nature. And I am identifying myself in that way. I am this, I am that, I am Hindu, I am Muslim, I am Christian, I am Brahman, I am American, I am Christian, like that. Gunai karmani sarvasa. So this is our conditional life. Kapil Dev is speaking on the subject matter of Atma Darshan. So if we identify like that I am American, I am Indian, I am Brahman, I am Kshatri, or I am cat, I am dog, then we shall continue this life, this conditional life by the material nature. We shall continue forever, nityabadha. Forever means we cannot calculate how long we shall continue. It is not nitya actually, but because I do not know from whence it has begun, neither I know when it will end. Therefore it is called nityabadha. Nityabadha. So we are nityabadha, eternally bound up by these laws of material nature. And we are wandering throughout the universe according to karma. Uddam gacchanti sattasta. If we work on the satagun, gunai karmani, we vichitra, there are so many varieties. So we may go sometimes up to Brahmaloka. That is not very difficult. But abrahma bhupana lokan punaravarti no. Either you go to Brahmaloka or Patal Loka or any Loka, this form or that body, you will have to go through these four principles of material condition: birth, death, old age and disease. That is not possible to overcome. That you can overcome only mami vajaprapadante mayami thankari. Therefore the conclusion is that instead of serving under the spell of material nature, Let us immediately transfer our position to become the original. Original means eternal servant of God.